Handouts are files of any size and type that you can attach to any certain point within your video evidence, through built-in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System Studio Space without any integration with third-party tools. In addition to video evidence, you can now enrich with the aided documents such as forensic reports, witness statements, medical reports, etc. that can substantially help the courts and other stakeholders analyze what happened, who is responsible, and that your version of the event has involved a breach of the relevant law. In this video, we will be looking at inserting handouts within video evidence in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System. Select the evidence in which you need to insert the handout and click on the overflow menu of the evidence. Select Studio Space from the overflow menu and you will be redirected to a new page. Click on Handout to add one at any point during the video evidence. Here, you can see a list of all handouts added within video evidence in case you have added any previously. Click on Add New to proceed. Click on Choose File to browse your device to find the relevant file to be attached within the video evidence. You will see an indicative icon when the file is being uploaded. Click on the Edit icon if you wish to change the name of the attached file. By the way, you can attach as many files as you wish against one instance in video evidence. Load at allows you to drop your handout at any point in the video evidence using the scrubber below the player while viewing the content at that point for ease of context. Once you are done inserting handouts at specific contexts within video evidence, you can choose to add another timed set of handouts by clicking on Add New. Similarly, if you change your mind and wish to redo the attachments from scratch, you can briskly remove the handouts too. Once you are done, click on Publish at the top right to propagate your changes to your video evidence. You can now play the video evidence in which the handout was added, and it will appear as attachment in the video evidence on the player template bar. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System. Stay tuned until next time.